In the last video, we had talked about the different quadrilateral, and we also saw answers of question number 1 under exercise 5.7, say true or false. Now, in this video, we are going to see very commonly used polygons. Just the names we will go through. Okay, and here we go. If number of sides 3, then triangle. 4, quadrilateral. Different types of quadrilaterals we have seen in the previous video. Then 5 sides, pentagon. 6 sides, hexagon. 8, octagon. And 7 sides, it's called heptagon. Okay, after this comes about the topic, will come about the topic three-dimensional shapes. Okay, the solid shapes which you might have studied in smaller grades, and here you can see ball. The edge, if you see, it's circular, but three-dimensionally if you see, it's spherical. The shape of ball is sphere or spherical. Then the ice cream is in the form of a cone, conical shape, and the edge, if you see, two-dimensional edge, if you see, it's triangular. And solid shape, if you talk about, it is conical. Here it's cylindrical. This can is cylinder. Box faces are rectangular. If two-dimensional edges, if you see, the face of this box, faces of this box are rectangle, and when rectangles combine together to form a box, and that is called cuboid. Squares, when they are taken together to form a box, then that is called cube, where all the sides, length, breadth and height, all the three dimensions are same. And this is pyramid, where the faces are triangular shape, and the three-dimensional solid shape is called pyramid. Pyramid or prism. Prism is of pyramid shape. The shape of the prism is pyramid. Okay. Now we'll talk about the edges and vertices, faces, edges and vertices of the given solid shapes. Clear? So now we are going to see how many faces does a cuboid have, or a cube have, or a prism has. Let's start. Now children, before we sit to count the number of faces in a given solid picture, or number of edges or vertices in a given solid figure, we should know what is face, or what is an edge, or what is a vertex. So look here, each side of cube or cuboid or a prism is a flat surface called a flat face, or simply we call it a face. You can see here, if I shade this part, this is called face. If I take the example of my cuboid shape book, better if I take eraser. You can have a look at this eraser. Oh, the edges are just, but if you take this much part only, to just get an idea what is called face, this flat surface is called face of a solid object. This is called face. This is called face. Okay. So face of cube or cuboid, you can see 1, 2, 3. Opposite to that 4, below 5, and the other side 6. 6 faces can be found in cuboid or cube. Now edges. Edges, what are edges? Two faces meet at a line segment. This face and this face meeting at a line segment, and this line segment is called edge. Right? So this is edge. So this is also an edge where you can see this surface, this face and this face of the cuboid is meeting at this line segment. Okay, so these are called edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that, edges you can count. And vertex. The 3 edges meet at a point 1, 2 and 3. This point is called vertex. This is called vertex. This is called vertex. This is called vertex. Same way over here, 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 and the other one you can see which is at the back. So how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices you can see in a cube or a cuboid. Similarly, different shapes will be given to you and you have to find out, tell how many edges they have, or the figure which is given to you, how many edges it has, how many vertices it has and how many faces it has. Let's take this triangular prism where if I am asked to tell you how many faces it has, then I have to count like this. This is one face, right? Then the opposite to there, we will count it later on. 1, 2, 3, that is here, this side. 4, which is on the other side, and below 5. If you make this prism transparent, then you can get the overview of the other side, other face. So this is one face, this is second face, then third at the back here, then on the other side fourth, and below fifth. 5 faces are there in a triangular prism. Then when we talk about edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges are there. Now what about vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. So we cleared out, or rather I would say I have cleared it out, how to find out the faces, vertices and edges. Hope you have understood it, and you can solve the next upcoming exercise. And I hope this is the end of the chapter. We have come to the end of the chapter, and before that we will just have a quick look at, which is not an exercise, actually exercise is 5.9, where match the following is given to you, and give 2 examples of each shape is the second question. And here you can see the examples, what is shape, the names are given to you, and you have been instructed with different object and you have to tell what is the shape of it, right? So let's first practice it. This one, here you have a cuboid, looks like a rectangular box. It has how many faces? We had counted. It has 6 faces, Each face has 4 edges. Each face has 4 corners called vertices, and a cube is a cuboid whose edges are all of equal length. It has 6 faces. Each face has 4 edges. Each face has 4 vertices. Now you will say, teacher, you had counted in a different way, but here you see each face. So we have to see only one face. We will talk about only one face. We are not going to talk about the whole solid figure. Each face has, now each face means अगर एक फेस को ले लेते हैं तो उसके तो सिर्फ 4 ही वर्टाइसेस है, जहाँ पे only 2 edges are meeting. We talk about only 4 vertices. Just because each is given to you, so you will only talk about the face, not about the solid figure. Understood? So इस तरह से you have a triangular pyramid, has a triangle as its base, and it also is known as tetrahedron, right? Tetrahedron faces, how many faces? 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the back, and even 5 actually it is. The other side also you have to see, and 3 sided are the triangular pyramid, 1, 2, third side over there, 3, so 4 faces are there. Then edges, 6 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges are there. And corners, how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Here you are talking about corners of the whole. You can see here corner of the whole solid figure. You are asked to you are not asked to find out only the vertices of the face. So you are going to count 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Right. Hope you have understood. Here you are not asked to find out the vertex of the face. अगर vertex of each face हुआ तो 1, 2 और 3 होंगे, right? But no, it's only said corners, just corners and edges. So you are counting all the edges and all the corners. A square pyramid has a square as its base. Now you can see it's a square pyramid. It has square base, बराबर. तो इसके हिसाब से फेसेस कितने होंगे? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 और ये 5वां, right? This side, this front side and the reverse side, and then the square base, 5 faces, edges 8. अब गिनते हैं, चलो. How many? Why 8 edges? You can see here. You can see here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8 edges in all, and corners, 4 corners of the base and 5th corner at the top, so 5 corners. Likewise, the 5th one is there, a triangular prism, looks like the shape of a kaleidoscope. Here you can see, which has 5 faces, 9 edges and corner 6, which we had already done while I was explaining you the example. Okay, so hope you can do exercise 5.9 based on the theory which I have explained you. Then also I am going to send you the PDF, so that anywhere if you find yourself stuck or confused, you can solve out with the help of the PDF. So here we come to the end of the chapter. Yes, one more video is pending, which is going to be part 7, chapter 5, part 7, which will consist of the explanation how to measure the given angle, or how will you draw angle of given measure. जहाँ पे आपको मेजरमेंट दिया गया होगा उसको आपको ड्रॉ करना है, या तो फिर एंगल फिगर विल बी गिवन टू यू, आपको उसका एंगल मेज़र करना है, एंड दैट इज़ स्टिल रिमेनिंग, एंड यू विल, our next video is going to be that part which include measuring of angles and drawing angles of the given measure. So till then, goodbye.